Hello friends, welcome to my channel Banani's Garden. In this video, I am going to talk about how to take care of Dracaena plant. I will show the repotting procedure and give information on the soil mixture, fertilizer, watering technique, required sunlight and many other things. Let's get started. Dracaena is an ornamental plant. You can use this plant to decorate your house indoor or outdoor. I have this Dracaena plant almost 1 year old. They have grown almost 1 foot. But their growth has been stopped. Today I will repot them. First, let us know about the best soil mixture for Dracaena plants. I am using the same amount of sand, ordinary garden soil and cow dung compost. Instead of cow dung compost, you can use vermicompost or leaf mold. The soil mixture is well drained due to the presence of sand. The compost will provide the required nutrients to the plants. Mix all the components well. This is an 8 inches pot. Previously they were in a 6 inches pot. As the plants grow more and more, they are needed to be shifted to a larger pot. First, I will cover the hole with some gravels and fill the pot little. To take the plants out, heat the pot gently with both hands. Grab all the plants together and pull them out. Make sure the soil is dry enough. Otherwise, you may face difficulty to take the plants out of the pot. As you can see, the plants have formed lots of roots. They are searching for more foods. First, I will lose some soil and tease out the roots a little. I will also cut some extra roots from the bottom. Now put the plants in the pot and fill the pot with the soil mixture. Press the topsoil a little. Add water fully and keep the pot in the full shade for 2 days. After that, you can put the pot under partial shade. This is after 5 months of repotting the plants. As you can see, the plants are now very healthy. The leaves look nice and green. Now let's talk about the sunlight required by this plant. As Dracaena is an indoor plant, it loves the partial shade. Don't ever put them under direct sunlight, otherwise the leaves will be burnt. You can keep them inside your house for a week for decoration purpose even the light is very low. But after that, you should put the plants in partial shade for 3 to 4 days while light is bright but direct sunlight does not reach. If you don't want to shift the plants at all, you can put Dracaena plants at your balcony in bright light forever. They will survive and grow happily. Next, let's talk about watering. It is a general rule for indoor plants. Extra water must be released from the soil. That's why we have made the soil mixture very well drained. Only water the plants when the topsoil becomes dry. Extra watering can rot the roots and can also cause fungal attack. Now about the pesticide. These plants are generally not attacked by any type of dangerous diseases, but they can be attacked by mealybugs, scale, spider mites, etc. If you see any such types of attacks, then you can spray organic pesticide neem oil. Mix 4 ml of neem oil in 2 liters of water and spray once in a month. This is after 6 months of repotting the plants. They are grown almost 3 feet. Just look at them. The leaves are green and healthy. The shape of the plants is also nice. It will obviously attract your neighbor's eyes. Now let's talk about fertilizer. You can use any liquid organic fertilizer once in a month. I prefer using rotten mustard cake solution. This liquid fertilizer contains NPK and other minerals. It is very good for most of the houseplants. Use it twice in a month and your plants will grow nice and healthy. That's all for today. Do you have Decina in your garden? Please share your experience with us. Write your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope we will again meet in the next video.